You how to comment with a photo reply on TikTok using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and find the video you want to comment on. Tap on the comment bubble besides the video to open the comment section. Now tap here to the Add Photo Reply comment. This will let you create a photo reply. Now, once you're ready, tap Post. Your photo will now appear as a reply under the original video. And that's it. If this video helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips.